Hi everyone, today we're going to be singing Deja Vu by Olivia Rodrigo. Strawberry ice cream, 1 spoonful or 2, and trading jackets, laughing about how small it looks on you. Watching reruns of Glee being annoying, singing in harmony, I bet she's begging to all her friends sing her song. So when you gonna tell her that we did that too? She thinks it's special, but it's all real. That was a place I found it first. I make the jokes you tell her when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Get deja vu. When you call her, almost say my name. Please let's be honest. The kind of person the same I hate to think that I was just with you. And I bet she knows Billy Joe, 'cause when you're uptown, girl, you're singing it together. Now I bet you even tell her how you love her. In between the chorus and the verse. So when you gonna tell her that we did that too? She thinks it's special, but it's all it is. That was the show we talked about. Brings you the song she's singing now when she's with you. You get deja vu when she's with you. You get deja vu. You get deja vu. Strawberry ice cream and Malibu. Feel like we didn't do all that shit too. Been trading jackets that we used to do. Yeah, everything is all reused. Play at the end, but she doesn't know that I was the one who took you to the joke. A different girl now, but there's nothing there. I know you get deja vu.